The second annual Wichita Falls Tattoo Expo, hosted by Ink Masters Tattoo, kicked off this afternoon.
Curtis Jackson spoke with one artist who actually took home the first place trophy for the most unusual tattoo last year and shows us the sights and sounds of the expo.
I've been tattooing for 6 years. I've always had a love for art ever since I was a kid. And I never thought, I was actually in the military for 10 years, and this is where I started, was in Iraq, tattooing. I started going to art school and had an opportunity open up for me, and here I am. Those are awards I won last year from this expo. I won first place, most unusual, for a tattoo I did on the back of my wife's thigh, actually. She sat like a champ for 6 hours. And that was my first year attending a tattoo expo and first year winning awards, so it was a pretty big accomplishment for myself. It's just a bragging right. You get a plaque and you get to say you're the best at that, but I mean, there's so many good artists here, you just happen to take home an award, So it's definitely a good competition out here. So being able to take home an award is definitely, to me, a high achievement. I would like to call myself a black and gray realism artist or a black and gray artist.
Wow, the expo, it goes until 11 tonight, 10 to 11 tomorrow, and 10 to 9 on Sunday. Tickets, $20 at the door.